Zoom is a popular web conferencing platform that has a variety of group collaboration features, such as whiteboarding, polling, and breakout rooms. It can be used for webinars, trainings, and hosting online team and class meetings. The basic version of Zoom is free and it includes most features and tools. We recommend using Google Hangouts Meet for basic web conferencing because it's free and available to the PLU community. To start using Zoom, navigate to zoom.us. An account is required to host a meeting, so when signing up, be sure to use your PLU account. After creating an account and logging in, you'll be presented with the Zoom dashboard. The tabs to the left affect the different options of your Zoom account. The first is Profile, where you can set options like your profile image. The next is Meetings, where you can view upcoming and previous meetings as well as schedule new meetings. And finally, the most common tab you'd be using is Settings. This is where you can adjust options and turn on and off tools to adjust your Zoom experience. To the top of the screen, you can schedule meetings, join a meeting, or host a meeting on the fly. If you use Host a Meeting, you'll be prompted to download Zoom software. This is recommended. If you don't have the permissions to install software on your computer, you can run the meeting in a browser. To schedule a meeting using the Zoom client, click the Schedule button. From here, enter meeting information. Be sure to select Google Calendar. When ready, click Schedule. An event will be placed on your Google Calendar. To invite other participants or share joining instructions, click the event and then click the pencil icon. Guests can be added. In the Details window, this information can be copied and pasted into an email or Sakai for other participants. This is the link that will be used by participants and the meeting host to join the meeting. In the Zoom client, to join a meeting with a meeting ID, click the Join button. To start a meeting on the fly, click the New Meeting button. If there's a previously scheduled meeting, you can click the Start button. A pop-up will appear to activate audio options. Click the test speaker and microphone to make sure your settings are set up correctly. Once ready, click Join with Computer Audio. All of the tools for the meeting are located at the bottom of the screen. From left to right, the first tool is Mute. Click this button to turn off the microphone. This will make it so everybody else in the meeting won't be able to hear you. To turn your microphone back on, click it once again. The next tool is Stop Video. This will turn your webcam off and it will just display your profile image. To reactivate your webcam, click the button again. Next is Invite. This will allow you to invite additional participants on the fly. The next tool is Manage Participants. Clicking this button will activate a window to the right that will display all of the people that are currently in the meeting. In this window, you can do things like muting people or do nonverbal reactions. To close the Manage Participants screen, click Manage Participants button once again. If polling is set up and enabled, you can access polling by clicking this button here. To share your screen, click the Share Screen button. This produces a pop-up where you have options to choose your entire screen or a specific window. Whiteboard functionality is also available. Click Share to share your screen. The next tool is Chat. Clicking this button produces a window to the right where people can type in messages with text. This is a great way for people to participate without interrupting the presenter. Clicking this chat button again makes the window disappear. Next, the record button can be pressed to record the session. You would click stop to finish. The file will then appear on your computer once the session is complete. Breakout rooms are the equivalent of small group activities. This can take a large meeting and then create several rooms where people can talk individually. And then, when ready, the host can pull everybody back into the larger group. And finally, the reactions button will allow either a clap or a thumbs up. When the meeting's all done, go ahead and click End Meeting. And you can either leave the meeting yourself, or as the host, you can end the meeting for all. PLU has a very limited number of pro licenses available, which are typically reserved for faculty and staff that need meetings longer than 40 minutes. If you have questions, or if you're interested in a pro license, contact itech@plu.edu.